that here 20% thought yes they could most of the time, but there was over 50% are on the right hand side of the scale, the red and the yellow, saying yellow very rarely or no. They couldn't identify which were the products that come from good welfare. I maybe should at this time mention the background to the name welfare quality. It's got a huge long title that I don't put up here, but it comes from the idea that animal welfare can be a part of product quality in the same way as taste of the product, the safety of the product, how the animal's welfare is a part of now the product quality, and it seems that consumers are very interested in finding out about that. If you look, and you could think about the labels that are around in your country as well, these are just some examples of labels that are around. One of the problems is it's not really clear what it means or how they are, what lies behind them, how much science is behind them, how much you can trust them. And again, referring back to this Eurobarometer, here this is the one that was repeated in 2000, that was carried out in 2007, 58% of citizens thought they wanted more information on farming conditions in their country. There is a general lack of knowledge about how animals are kept and where our products are coming from. So here, and this is a part of a diagram that I will come back to again several times, there's a missing link here between the welfare of the animals on the farm or in practice and what the consumer knows. Somewhere between there we're missing information. So that's one of the key parts to the start of the welfare quality project. And as I say, I'll come back to this diagram and different parts of it again. It is a large project. It is in fact now, up until now, the largest EU-funded project in animal welfare. 250 scientists, actually it's more than that when you start to count. These are the ones that are actually named in the publications and in the applications. 44 partners, that means 44 research institutes or universities, 17 countries, you can see them marked here in Europe, and then later on, through a special scheme, they became in 4 additional countries from Latin America. The year from 2004 to 2009 means that it's finishing at the end of this year, and as you heard, we had a large stakeholder meeting in Uppsala in October under the Swedish presidency where some of the results from this project were presented.